Hey folks, I'm Natasha Chelmy. I'm a chef and the author of this book, Fast, Fresh, Flavorful. It's all about everyday meals being made easy, and I'm making a dessert, an apple crumble from my book. Apples are in season right now. I've got some simple Himachal apples and strawberries. Very much you want to make this dessert before strawberries go out of season. Let's get going. So the first step is to make the crumble. Let's get going. First step, butter into a bowl. This is room temperature butter that I've just cut in cubes, and then goes in the flour. So I'm using maida here. You could use whole wheat, you could use oat flour or millet flour, whatever you like. And then with your hands, you just need to combine it together until you have a breadcrumb-like consistency. And now in with the brown sugar and the oats. So the oats will get nice and crunchy in the oven, and the brown sugar will give it color. And that is the consistency you're looking for, coarse and crumbly. Crumble ready, time to head to the stove and get cooking with the fruits. Apples go into a pan along with the sugar, brown sugar. This is about 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Give it all a stir. I like to add in 1 tablespoon, just a little splash of regular room temperature water, just to add a little moisture. Cover and steam for 10 to 15 minutes. Give the apples a stir every now and then, and they're done when they're crunchy yet tender. So about 10 to 15 minutes on a low flame. We'll add the strawberries later because strawberries need less cooking time and you don't want it all becoming a big mush. So the apples in its last 5 minutes of cooking, and now in go the strawberries into the pan. Cook the fruits together for 2 to 3 minutes and then off the heat. So here's my special touch. I add a little grating of lime zest, just some green lime zest with a little tang. So there's lots of variations you can do with this. If you don't want to do apples, there's pears, plums, peach. Any of these hard, sturdy fruits would work well. So that's done, the fruit's done. I'm going to go in and top it up with this topping. The dish is assembled. You can see a nice layer of fruit at the bottom and the crumble on top. Into the oven, 180 degrees for 30 minutes. The oven's nice and hot. And then you're free to do whatever you want for your party, for your guests, and come back and it'll be nice and bubbly. That is the magic bell. Come along, let's see what the oven has for us. Smell the cinnamon, the fruit, and it's crunchy on top, and part of the crumble has seeped in to soak in all that water and give it a cakey interior. Come along, let's see what it looks like inside. And now, the moment of truth. You've got the fruit, which is gooey. You've got some of the crumble that's soft with the moisture of the fruit, and then you have the crunchy top. I'm going to serve this with some vanilla ice cream in individual bowls. Serve it. You need it hot out of the oven. Look at that. That gooey texture is what you want with the crunch. It's an absolute contrast of textures. Just top it up with some vanilla ice cream, a small dollop, not much, a little mint leaf, just for that little touch of green, and that's good to go. Wish you all a very Merry Christmas, a great 2021. I'm Natasha Chelmy. Hope you enjoyed this.